Seamless, very discreet, powerful, waterproof, and built to last. High-intensity bullets from California Exotic Novelties. Crafted from durable, hard ABS plastic with metallic plating, these 3-speed mini vibes emit incredible power. All you need is one in battery, included with your purchase, easily inserted in the compartment beneath the cap at the base of the sleek bullet. Reseal the cap securely to maintain a waterproof seal. Then push the Easy Touch button for 3 speeds of magical bullet intensity. Remember to remove batteries when not in use to prevent corrosion to the unit. For maximum pleasure and to maintain function and performance of your high-intensity bullets, always use a water-based lubricant or the all-purpose Cal Exotics brand Universal Lube, which is safe for all toys and materials and washes up easily with mild soap and water, or Cal Exotics antibacterial toy cleaner. Cleaning is advised before and after each use. Available in pink, black, silver, and white. High-intensity bullets for hours of pleasure, only from California Exotic Novelties.